Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about Sea Ray's 2019 250 SDX with a 300 horsepower on the back. It's a beautiful white hull with a black bottom, fantastic contrast. The new design of the hull is absolutely gorgeous. And as we move down to the back, we've got the sea deck, we've got the lounger, and again, the brand new 2019 Verado, 300 horsepower, fantastic motor, quiet, very fast, super fast boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board. Very versatile seat in the back. You can, when you're at anchor, just hanging out, it's got a nice, comfortable lounger seat facing this way. And when you're running, you can flip it back, and then you can push it and slide it back. And now it's a nice L-shaped seating this way. Large bimini top, good shade. Opposing seating over here. Really nice looking, clean helm with the Simrad on it. Excellent. Very large head that turns into a little bit of a sleeping area in here as well. Very unique. And then a nice bow area with a cooler up here. Great sound system. Fantastic boat for day boat. Great for especially around Naples here. Water toys, all the above. Perfect. If you have any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.